مصلحا ومجددا فارنوا بنظر طاهر وجناني.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu. Zakar has no knowledge of Islam. According to him, when the Imam Mahdi comes, those who are already following the Prophet ﷺ and following the Quran do not have to accept him. However, the purpose of the Imam Mahdi was to revive Islam. Every Muslim believes they're following the Quran and the Prophet ﷺ. So according to this person, no one has to accept him. But what did the Prophet Muhammad ﷺ say? He stated, when you see them, then pledge your allegiance to them, even if you have to crawl over the snow, for that is the Caliph of Allah, the Mahdi. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ commanded you to accept the Imam Mahdi. Sadly, you have rejected him and accepted Mullah Islam instead. The Prophet Muhammad ﷺ also stated, for whoever becomes separate from the Jamaat of Muslims, even for a span, and then dies, he will die as those who died in the pre-Islamic period of ignorance. In other narrations, the Prophet ﷺ said, recognize the Messiah and give him my salam, because he knew that the scholars would do the opposite, and this is indicated in many ahadiths. But of course, Zakar hasn't studied Islam, nor does he care for the words of our beloved Hazrat Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam.
जो लोग बहुत ज्यादा भटके हुए होंगे वो जाएंगे अपना इलाज कराएंगे, लेकिन जो भटका हुआ ही नहीं है, जो पहले ही है, जो आखिरी नबी हजरत मोहम्मद मुस्तफा सल्लल्लाहु अलैहि वसल्लम की पूरी शरीयत पे चलते हुए बिल्कुल सही रहा, उसको तो इमाम महदी के पास जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी, उसको तो इमाम महदी के पास जाने की जरूरत ही नहीं पड़ेगी. अगर एक बंदा वैसे ही नेक है, एक मिनट, एक बंदा वैसे ही नेक है तो उसको क्या जरूरत है भाई?
This makes absolutely no sense at all and contradicts the Quran and the Hadith. The Mahdi was to be sent by Allah, yet people don't have to accept him. Only the righteous ones will accept him. Everyone thinks they're on the right path. This was the task of the Imam Mahdi. He was to settle the differences of the Ummah and establish a Jamaat united upon the truth, which would have Khilafat. Zakar, just look at the state of the Muslims in Pakistan. Barelvis believe Deobandis are disbelievers. Deobandis believe Barelvis are disbelievers. Wahhabis declare them both disbelievers, and Shias declare everyone disbelievers. According to your logic, because all of these groups believe they're on the right path, the coming of the Imam Mahdi is itself useless, God forbid, and no one would have to accept him. It kind of makes sense as to why you rejected the true Messiah and Mahdi. If you have not yet subscribed, make sure to subscribe and click on the bell icon so you can get notifications for every new video. Also make sure to like and comment on the video and follow on Twitter and Instagram.
محمد صل على